Why do leeches really suck at work? A leech's life cycle is precise, purposeful, and deeply connected to medicine.
Leeches are hermaphrodites, meaning both individuals participate equally.
The egg stage is where fertilized eggs develop inside cocoons for 2 to 4 weeks. This stage marks hatching, when young leeches emerge after incubation. Leech saliva prevents clotting and improves blood flow during recovery. In modern medicine, this stage is known as Hirudotherapy.
Hi, I am Cappy from Forest FM. Check out full video on the channel.